What if you could take just one product and turn it into two completely different professional advertisements without starting from scratch every time? In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Flova, an AI native video creation agent platform, to create two art styles from one product: a natural UGC style advertisement and a cinematic premium commercial. Our product is Volt Go Power Bank Pro, and I'm going to show you how I take the same product and adapt it for different creative goals. I'll start by giving Flova the project context, target audience, campaign goals, core message and visual directions. Then we'll organize our product assets, review the creative directions prompts before generating, create the videos, and make revisions to individual shots when necessary. The goal isn't just to generate a video, it's to show how Flova can help you plan, organize, review, edit, compare and produce content within one creative workflow. If you're a content creator, freelancer, affiliate marketer, business owner, or someone interested in creating professional videos with AI, this tutorial will show you how you can make your workflow much more efficient. If you want to try Flova yourself, you can use my Ulink link in the first line of the description. When you sign up through my link, you get 100 free credits instantly, and you also receive 200 credits from every new user you invite. So let's see what we can create. For this project, we are starting with one product, the Volt Go Power Bank Pro. First, we'll create a relatable UGC style advertisement featuring a young African creator. The focus will be authenticity, everyday use, and short form social media content. And using the same product, we'll create a cinematic premium advertisement featuring a young African professional. This version will focus on premium visuals, storytelling, and brand presentation. The product stays the same, but the creative strategy changes, and that's what makes the workflow interesting. Instead of creating random variations, we can adapt the hook, pacing, visual language, and storytelling to suit different advertisement goals. So now let's jump into Flova and build the project from start to finish. Let's go, guys. Okay, so when you click on the first link in the description, it's going to take you to this home interface. So this is Flova AI official website, and you can see how clean and easily accessible the website is. So we are going to we are going for this product promo video. So I'm going to click on that. So after that, I'm going to add an image of the product we want to create the advert for. So the product is this Volt Go Power Bank. All right, so as you can see, the image of the product is uploading. So I'm just going to click on paste to paste in our prompt. So after pasting the prompt, I will hit on generate. Okay, so after clicking on go, it's going to bring us to this interface where Flova is going to analyze our prompts and give us the storyboard, key elements, and every other thing we need to create our video. Okay, so I'm just as you can see, it says I'll use the product promo video workflow for this UGC style campaign. So our skill is ready, and if you want to reuse your skill, you can actually click on the skill and save it. Okay, so it says choose the short form ad length. So it's giving us 30 seconds, 20 seconds vertical ad, and 15 seconds. So I'm going to choose on these 20 seconds. Okay, so after choosing on the 20 second, I will now click on send. Okay, and remember, everything we are doing it in just one workspace. We are not jumping from tools to tools to work on this. And after selecting this 20 second, it said video spec is ready. So let me tap on video spec to see the video spec. So this is actually the video spec, and you can go through it, and if you're okay with the video specification, then you just type on please go ahead. So Flova is acting as an AI video agent where you just chat and tell it what to do, and it works according to your own specifications and recommends the best one for you. So it's actually updating our storyboards now. So let's just hold on. So it says storyboard is updated. Okay, so here he said, what would you like to do next? Generate the visual reference. Create a consistent visuals of of the African creator modern workspace before making the advertisement short. The second option is make the ad more energetic. Revise the short plane for faster pacing, strong hook spacing. Like, you can go through the two options here and choose the one that best fits your audience or your campaign goals. Okay, I'm going to go with the first plan, which is generate the visual reference. Okay, so I'm going to click on send. So the next thing is our media assets, and our media assets is generating now. Okay guys, so this is our media asset generation, which is completed, and take a look at this. It has generated the image of our model for us. And if you want to work on this model, like if you want the interface, everything is editable. Like, you can work on your prompts as at any point in time. For example, now this model is wearing this brown color clothes top. Okay, so he said, a beautiful young black African woman in her mid-20s sitting in a bright modern workspace. Okay, one thing I love about Flova is that you can actually adjust your prompts and edit on it to make it exactly what you want. So for example, the image of the model that was giving me, she's wearing a brown outfit, so I would like to make it blue. Okay, so I've just tapped on the prompt. So I'll just say, where's a blue casual smart simple stylish top. Okay, so I'll just leave it at that blue, and I'll hit on generate. So it's actually going to regenerate it, giving me the same model but changing her outfit at this time. And normally, when we are working with AI tools, if you don't like any of the images it gave you, you have to go and start from scratch. But on when it comes to Flova AI, you don't have to start from scratch again. You just make your changes and continue with your work. Okay, you don't have to go and start afresh. So as you can see, our image is regenerating. So here is the second image, and I think I like this one better. So I think this one is perfect. I like this one better. So we are going to go with this now. So I will just click on please go ahead. Okay. Okay, friends, so Flova AI has started working on our UGC style video, and is going to generate in just few minutes. Okay, so there is this exciting news I want to tell you. Sit Dance 2.5 is now available on Flova, and they are also offering a limited time 10-day promotion. That means buy one and get one free, plus 47% off, with price starting as low as 3 cents per second. Isn't that amazing, guys? So just check this out and let's continue. Our video is almost getting ready, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like once it's done.
Seriously? Not now?
Hey guys, so as you can see, this is the workflow on how to create your ads with Flova, and Flova AI makes this so easy. As you can see, our second video is ready, and I'm going to play it now so that you can see how it looks like. So this, if you want to work on the prompts or anything, remember you can regenerate each of the prompts, and once you're done and you're okay with everything, you save it directly to your gallery by clicking on this icon, download icon here, and it's going to save directly to your device. So let me play the second ad now and take a look at how consistent the characters are throughout the whole video. There were no face changing and all that. So take a look at it. And there we have it. We started with just one product and created two completely different advertising styles, a UGC style ad and a cinematic premium commercial. What I like about Flova is that it goes beyond simply generating videos. It helps you keep your project context, assets, creative workflow organized while allowing you to review, compare and refine your results. If you want to try Flova, remember that my unique link is in the first line of the description. You will get 100 free credits instantly plus 200 credits for every new user you invite. Stop juggling AI tools. Start creating in one intelligent workspace. Thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.